start the electricity. So the battery is supposed to be here. That was the energy of the teachers coming up, inspiring students to make and create and design a better world and earth.
Oh, wow.
So,
Back to our home place in the Philippines. We're gonna teach it to our own students because we belong to different universities. And aside from that, since we hold teacher trainings for the chemistry teachers in the entire country, so we hope to share with them what we have learned for today, and hopefully a collaboration with Wilch in New Zealand.
Oh, nice.
So that's it. So it's really all about sharing and collaboration.
Good luck for us.
All the sentiments that we felt throughout the day, and it's just a mix of everything. So there are some things like learn to fail, bring the child back in you, don't give up, ask for help, resilience. Everybody is creative. Don't be too hard on yourself. Freedom, so you feel free of all your anxieties and all the stress that you've had. And then, yeah, everyone can be a maker. So
What we have learned from this workshop is that the most important concept is that experiential learning. So will inspire us if we let the students to do experiential learning, it will inspire them to self-challenge themselves. So that will lead to initiative, and they will become creative. We know that everyone is initiative by their own way. They are creative by their own way. So this concept we will bring back home and share with the stakeholders.
Yay, nice.
And she said she's going to take over to her, conduct teacher workshops and spread it around amongst the teachers. For me, I work with 16 to 18-year-olds. So for them, microbit programming and design thinking for making would be something that I would be interested. And
Mine is for professional development and also teach my nephews and my nieces
Cool.
the art of making. Okay. Yeah.
And my school is going to be hopefully starting a makerspace soon, so I want to get some of these ideas and bring them into the makerspace.
Cool. Give him a hand.
Jackie is their battery or something.
Ah.